Indexes in MongoDB are essential for efficient and fast data retrieval. Here are some best practices for using indexes in MongoDB. Understand the types of indexes. MongoDB supports several types of indexes, including single-field, compound, multi-key, text, and geospatial indexes. Understanding the different types of indexes and their use cases will help you choose the right index for your data. Choose the right index. Choose the right index based on your query patterns and the structure of your data. For example, if you frequently query a specific field, a single field index may be the best choice. If you frequently query on multiple fields, a compound index may be a better choice. Avoid over-indexing. Avoid creating too many indexes, as they can negatively impact write performance and increase the size of the index. Only create indexes that are necessary for your queries. Use indexes for sorting and pagination. Use indexes for sorting and pagination to improve query performance. If you frequently sort or paginate through large data sets, an index can significantly improve performance. Monitor index usage. Monitor index usage regularly to ensure that your indexes are being used effectively. Use MongoDB's built-in monitoring tools or third-party monitoring tools to track index usage and identify any issues. Create indexes during off-peak hours. Create indexes during off-peak hours to avoid impacting production performance. Creating an index on a large data set can take some time, and it may be best to schedule this task during a time when it will have the least impact on your users. Test and optimize. Test and optimize your indexes regularly to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Use MongoDB's built-in performance tools to identify slow queries and optimize your indexes for improved performance. Understand index cardinality. The cardinality of an index refers to the number of unique values in an indexed field. Understanding the cardinality of your index will help you determine if it is a good candidate for indexing. If the cardinality of an index is low, it may not be efficient to index that field. Consider index size. The size of an index is an important factor to consider when creating indexes in MongoDB. Large indexes can slow down write operations and impact overall performance. Consider the size of your indexes carefully and create only the indexes that are necessary for your queries. Be mindful of index updates. When data is updated in MongoDB, indexes must be updated as well. This can impact write performance, especially if you have many indexes on a collection. Be mindful of the impact of index updates on write performance and only create indexes that are necessary for your queries. Use the explain method. Use the explain method to understand how MongoDB is executing your queries and to identify any query performance issues. The explain method provides a detailed explanation of how MongoDB is executing a query, including the indexes it is using and how it is sorting the data. By following these best practices, you can effectively use indexes in MongoDB and ensure that your queries are fast, efficient, and reliable.